Morning to all my dear students. I hope you all have enjoyed your summer break. Summer holidays are over and it's time to settle ourselves back to our routine. As we all know that we can't go to school because of the ongoing COVID-19 epidemic, but we can study at home through our virtual classes, and I'm extremely glad to resume studies with us once again. So, students, are you ready? Let's begin our first virtual mathematics classes. Let's revise whatever we have practiced so far. Chapter 1, Numbers up to 1000. Writing numbers 1 to 1000. Number words, names means write in words, write in numerals we already have done, place value and face value, expanded form and short form, before, after and between, comparing numbers, estimation and rounding. Chapter 2 we already have done, even and odd numbers. I hope you have practiced. Chapter 3 Addition. I already told you how to add 3-digit numbers with 3 digits. And chapter 4 Subtraction. In this chapter I have told you how to subtract. Today I will tell you the new topic under subtraction is checking subtraction by addition. Here we can check the answer of a subtraction problem by addition. So let's begin. So thus children, we begin the topic checking subtraction by addition. In this we can check the answer of a subtraction problem by addition. Children, first we have written the places, ones, tens and hundred. Then we have to write the number according to the headings. 803, 174. Now we have to subtract both the numbers. For subtraction, you always keep it in mind, the first number is always bigger than the another number. First number is bigger and the next number is smaller than that. Now you know how to do subtract. Before begin with the subtraction, I want to tell you the bigger number is also known as minuend. What we say? Minuend. Speak up with me. Minuend. And the smaller number is known as subtrahend. And the answer is known as difference. Okay? The bigger number is known as minuend and the smaller number is known as subtrahend and the answer is known as difference. You have to learn this. Do not forget. Okay? Now we will start doing subtraction. Now see, here is 3 and there is 4. You can subtract 3 minus 4? No, it is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because 3 is smaller than 4 and I told you whenever you have to subtract, the first number should be bigger. Yes, we have to do borrow, but it is already 0. Now what we do? We borrow from the next number. 8. 8 becomes 7. Yes, and 0 becomes 10. Now 3 borrow with 10 and it will become 9 and this will become 13. Now 13 less 4. Yes, start backward counting. Take out your 4 fingers. 12, 11, 10, 9. Yes, 9. 9 less 7. Yes, take out your 9 fingers. We have to take out 9 fingers or 7. We have to take out 7 fingers and start backward counting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 9 minus 7 is 2. And 7 minus 1, take out your 1 finger and start backward counting. 6. Yes, 6. So answer is 629. So you can see 803 is minuend, 174 is subtrahend, and 629 is difference. Okay. Now by addition we can tally our answer. How? Now what you have to do? First, which number you will write it here? There the first number should be subtrahend. What we will write here? Subtrahend. And subtrahend is 174. Yes. Subtrahend you have to write it in the first position. Second number you will write it the difference. Difference you will write it in the second number. 629. Put addition sign there and now add it. And if this answer mean if the minuend, this minuend and this answer will be same, it means our answer is correct. Our answer is correct. If this minuend and there the answer is not the same, it means our answer is wrong. Now let me see we have done right or wrong. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry over, 0 write it down. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. So our answer is 803. So you can see minuend and this answer is same. 803, 803. So our answer is correct. Now we can do, now we can see one more question. The next question is 423 minus 164. It is very easy. Now you know. First tell me, first number is known as, I told you in the beginning, the first number is known as minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Minuend. And 164, this is known as subtrahend. What is known as subtrahend? S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. And the answer is known as difference. Now you can subtract both the numbers. 3 minus 4 not possible. Again he borrow, but he is not already having. Again he borrow from this, so it will become 3. This will become 12, then 11, and this will become 13. 13 minus 4, 9. You can do it yourself. Now 11 minus 6, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. So our answer is 259. What is the minuend in the question? 423. Subtrahend is 164 and the difference is 259. Now tell me which number we will write it first here? Subtrahend. Yes, first we will write subtrahend here, 164. And the next number is difference. This next number is difference, 259. Put the addition sign and now add it. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carry over. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 423. Now you can see this answer and this answer will be, these both answers are same. So it means our answer is correct. So our answer is correct. I hope you all understand it. Thank you.